Hello students, today we are going to next chapter is Maths 1b transformation of the axis. The axis can be transformed or changed usually in the following waves. Main is two waves, that is a important transformation of the axis, and second one is rotation of the axis. First one is transformation of the axis and rotation of the axis. Third one is nothing but same first and two combination, that is transformation and rotation of the axis. Transformation and rotation of the axis. అయిపోయింది. Next, first one is transformation of the axis. Definition. What is the definition? The transformation obtained by the shifting the origin different point in the plane. The transformation obtained by the shifting the origin different point in the same plane, okay, in the plane, without changing the direction of coordinate axis. This is called a transformation of axis. Next, change in the coordinates by the translation. Change in the coordinates, okay. Listen, figure is, let Ox and Oy is the initial coordinates, okay. Next is shifted to the origin is O dash. Here O dash is equal to h comma k. O dash is equal to h comma k. Total is, this is On is x, this y only, okay. Next it changes as the 002, origin 002 h comma k. Therefore let Ox and Oy are the given coordinates. Suppose that the origin is shifted to h comma k by the translation of the, this is the Ox dash and this is a Oy dash. Now On is equal to, how can I write here? On is equal to, I can write here OL plus Ln. Clear? OL plus Ln, because On is x only, okay. Then I can write here x is equal to, On is nothing but x, OL as is, Ln is nothing but O dash m only. O dash m. This is a parallel, okay. This is a Ln, you can write here O dash m. O dash m is nothing but x dash, okay. Therefore x is equal to, OL is nothing but h, plus O dash m is equal to x dash. Therefore we got here x is equal to x dash plus h, I can write first, or x dash is equal to, I can write here x minus h. This is the first one is changing the coordinates. Okay, x is equal to x dash plus h, or next one is x dash is equal to x minus h. Similarly, you can write here y is equal to, y is nothing but pn. yn is equal to nothing but here pn is equal to, how can write here pn is equal to pm plus mn. pm is equal to pn is equal to, I can write here pm plus mn. pn is nothing but y is equal to pm. pm, how can write here pm as it is. mn is nothing but o dash l. Okay, o dash l. o dash l is nothing but this is only k. This is also, you can write this is also k only. Therefore pm is nothing but y dash. pm is nothing but y dash. This is a y dash only na. Therefore I can write here y is equal to y dash plus o dash l is nothing but k. Therefore y is equal to y dash plus k first, or you can write this is y dash is equal to y minus k. This is a transformation of the coordinates. Okay, first one is x is equal to x dash plus h, or x dash is equal to, I can write here x minus h. Second one is y is equal to y dash plus k, or y dash is equal to y minus k. You can write one note is, if the origin is shifted to h comma k by translation of axis, then first one is the coordinates of point p of x comma y are transformed as p of x minus h comma y minus k. x minus h comma y minus k. And second one is the equation f of x comma y is equal to 0 of the curve is transformed as f dash of x dash plus h comma y dash plus k is equal to 0. These formulas you can use by the solving the problems. Okay, x is equal to x dash plus h, or x is equal to x dash plus h, or x is equal to x minus h, y is equal to y dash plus k, or y dash is equal to y minus k. Let us see one example. When the origin is shifted to minus 2 comma 3 by the translation of the axis, let us find the coordinates of the 1 comma 2 with respect to the new axis. Okay, therefore here shifted to origin means you can write here, given that h comma k is equal to, what is given here, minus 2 comma 3. Okay, Solution, observe here. Given that is h comma k is equal to minus 2 comma 3. Let axis is x comma y is equal to what is given here? 1 comma 2 is given. Then find the new axis. Find the new axis. Therefore, new axis is, let x comma comma x dash comma y dash. Therefore, formula is equal to, what is the formula? X dash comma y dash is equal to x minus h comma y minus k. You know about the formula is x minus h comma y minus k. Substitute the x, h, y and k values here. What is x is 1 minus as it is. H is nothing but minus 2. And y is nothing but 2 minus 3 is nothing but k is nothing but 3. Therefore, 1 minus of minus plus 2 and 2 minus 3 is equal to, I can write here 3 comma minus 1. This is the new axis is x dash comma y dash is equal to 3 comma minus 1. Using the formula, you can find out this one. Next example is, second one example is, when the origin is shifted to 3 comma 4 by the translation of the axis, let us find the transformation of the equation. You are not asking the points here. Equation is, find the equation of the transformation of the equation. 2x square plus 4xy plus 5 square is equal to 0. Solution, observe here. Given that transformation shifted origin means h comma k is origin. Okay, h comma k is what is given here? 3 comma 4. Okay, let new axis may be, let new axis x dash comma y dash is equal to, what is the formula here? X minus h comma y minus k. You know formula is this one only. X dash comma y dash is equal to x minus h y minus k. Therefore, don't find here x dash comma y dash. You can substitute the x value is x as it is. Okay, x minus 3 and this is y minus 4. Listen, therefore x dash is equal to, I can write here x minus 3 or y dash is equal to y minus 4. But equation means you can write here x is equal to, how can write here? X dash plus 3 and y is equal to y dash plus 4. This is the original axis is. Original axis. This is a new axis. This is the original axis. Therefore, it is given equation is, given equation is 2x square plus 4xy plus 5y square is equal to 0. Substitute the x values, x and y values you can substitute, you simplify, you get the answer here. 2 of x is nothing but x dash plus 3 whole square plus 4 x dash plus 3x is, and y is nothing but y dash plus 4 plus 5 y dash plus 4 whole square is equal to 0. We are substituting the x and values in the given equation. You simplify this equation, you get the transformation of the equation. You can use the formula a plus b whole square, a plus b into c plus d. You can multiply. This is also a plus b whole square. 2 as it is. A plus b whole square is x square. 3 square is nothing but 9. 2ab. 2 into 3 is 6. X dash. This is 4 as it is. X dash into y dash. X dash into 4 is nothing but 4x dash. And 3 into y dash is nothing but 3y dash. 3 into 4 is nothing but 12. 5 as it is y dash whole square plus 4 square is 16 plus 8y square is equal to 0. Again you can simplify 2x dash whole square plus 18 plus 12x dash plus 4x dash y dash plus 16x dash plus 12y dash plus 48, okay, plus 5y dash whole square, 80, 16 into 5, and last is 40y dash is equal to 0. Next, first you can write here 2x dash whole square as it is. First one is. Next 4x dash y dash, and next one is y square term, that is 5y dash whole square, and next x terms. What is x terms is 12, 16. How much that is? 28. Therefore plus 28 x dash, and y dash is 12y dash and 40, that is 52 y dash, and constant is 18 and 48 plus 80 is nothing but 146. Okay, 8, 8, 16, that is 146 is equal to 0. Therefore the equation you can write here, the equation of transformed is 2x square plus 4xy plus 5y square plus 28x plus 52y plus 146 is equal to 0. This is a equation. Next topic is rotation of the axis. Second one, this is the second one. First one is a transformation of the axis. This is a rotation of the axis. What the definition is? First is observe here. The transformation of the obtained by the rotating the both coordinates. You are rotating, that is x axis and y axis you are rotating. Both coordinate axes in the plane by an equal angle. OX is rotated as a theta and OY also change as a theta angle only, without changing the position of the origin, is called the rotation of the axis. Okay, I will show in the figure. Listen, this is the OX is the axis and OY is the original axis. You are rotated as an angle, that is theta is, that is OX dash and O dash. This same as a theta only, same theta angle. In the plane you can put a P is a x comma y, 1 point. Okay, this also same P dash x dash comma y dash also same as this, same it rotated. Okay, next observe here. This is a OL is a x. You draw a perpendicular line is a M to OX axis, that is QM. This is the figure of the, using of this figure you can find the x values and y values. Therefore let here next changes in the coordinates when the axes are rotated through an angle theta. We are rotated as the angle theta is. Okay. Next angle of XO x dash. What is the XO x dash is theta, and YO y dash also theta. Let you can write here OL is equal to, OL is nothing but you can write here OQ minus LQ. Listen, this is a, we want here OL, but using the total, this diagram, therefore I can write here OQ minus, this is LQ. You can subtract LQ value, total OQ subtract LQ, therefore you get the OL. Therefore LQ you can find here, LQ is nothing but MN. OL is equal to, I can write here OQ minus NM or MN, because LQ is equivalent to NM, both are same here if by the figure. Therefore in triangle OQM is equal to, this is a triangle OQM. Therefore we want here OQ is, I can write here adjacent and hypotenuse. What is the relation? This is cos theta is equal to, I can write here OQ by OM. Clear? OQ by OM. Therefore OQ is equal to, I can write here OM into cos theta. OM is nothing but, observe here, OM is nothing but this is x dash axis, therefore this is a x dash only. Therefore I can write here OQ is equal to x dash cos theta. First one is, you got your OQ value, and similarly you can find the NM value. Okay, OQ is equal to what you got here, x dash cos theta. Next, triangle of PNM. And next PNM, triangle PNM, we want here NM means opposite side. Therefore you can take here sin theta is equal to NM by, what is the hypotenuse is nothing but PM. Therefore NM is equal to, I can write here PM sin theta. Therefore NM is equal to PM. What is the direction of this one is, you can observe here, direction of the y dash is the direction of the y dash. Therefore you can write here y dash of sin theta. Clear? This is, we got these two values. Therefore we have OL is equal to, what you have here, OL is equal to OQ minus NM. Therefore x is equal to, OL is nothing but x, OQ is nothing x dash cos theta minus as is, NM is y dash sin theta. We got here x coordinate, that is rotating the theta angle. Also find the y value. Same figure you can observe here, I can write here PL is equal to, where is the PL? This is the PL. PL is equal to PN plus NL. But PN as is, NL is nothing but MQ is. Okay, this is MQ. NL is nothing but MQ. Again you can take the two triangles same as this. In triangle OQM, same OQM, you can take here sin theta. Sin theta is equal to MQ by OM. Sin theta is the opposite side by hypotenuse. Therefore opposite side is nothing MQ, its hypotenuse is OM. Therefore you can write here MQ is equal to OM sin theta. What is the OM is nothing but this is x dash. x dash sin theta. Therefore mq you got here x dash sin theta. Similarly you can find the pn value in triangle pnm also. pnm you can take the two triangles only. Therefore you can take here cos theta is equal to what is the pn by pm. Cos theta is equal to pn by theta, this is theta, therefore pn by hypotenuse is nothing but pm. Okay, adjacent. Therefore pn is equal to pm cos theta. What is the pm? You know about that is a direction as a y dash. Therefore I can write here y dash of cos theta. pn is nothing but pn, you can write here pn is equal to these two values. You can substitute in PL, you get the answer is PL is equal to PN plus NL. Okay, PL is nothing but PL total y, this is y is equal to PN y dash cos theta plus is NL is nothing but, you can write here NL is not here, MQ. MQ is, how can I write here? X dash sin theta. Therefore, I can write here y is equal to, you can write orderly x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. This is a change of the axis. This x and y values you can remember that one formula is given, one table is, you can here original axis is x and y, change x axis is x dash and y dash. Therefore you can write here cos theta minus sin theta, and second one is sin theta cos theta. Therefore x is equal to, how can remember that is x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. Clear? And y is equal to, you can write here x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. Also you can write here x dash is equal to, how can I write here x dash is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta. X dash is equal to, how can I write here? I can write here x dash is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta, and y dash is equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. This is a formula for the given axis. Change is the rotation of the theta is angle. Therefore the table is finding the x and y values, and x dash also, y dash also. Okay, next note, when the axes are rotated through an angle theta, then the coordinates of the point, coordinates x comma y, formula is x dash comma y dash is equal to, what is the formula? We know about it, is x cos theta plus y sin theta as it is. And next one is y dash is equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. And the equation f of x comma y is equal to 0. Therefore in place of x you can write the x is equal to, how can I write here? X dash cos theta minus y sin theta, and y is replaced as a x dash sin theta plus y dash sin theta. Therefore f of x comma y is equal to 0. This is a note. For this you can, let us see one example is, let us find the coordinates of the p of 1 comma 2 with reference to the new axis when the axes are rotated through an angle theta only, the 30 degrees. Okay, theta is 30 degrees. Therefore solution, observe here. Let given that p of x comma y is equal to 1 comma 2 and x dash comma y dash be the coordinates of the p in new axis system, new axis. Okay, the theta is equal to what is given here, 30 degrees. Therefore formula apply here. X dash is equal to, you can find the x dash and y dash. X dash is equal to, what is the formula here? Therefore x cos theta plus y sin theta, and y dash is equal to, therefore you can write here minus x sin theta y cos theta. Substitute here x comma y value, sin theta value. Therefore x dash is equal to, x is nothing but 1 cos 30 degrees, theta is 30, y is nothing but 2 sin 30 degrees. Here also y dash is equal to minus 1, x is 1 sin 30 plus y is nothing but 2 cos 30. Substitute the sin 30 and cos 30 values, you get the answer here. Therefore x dash is equal to, cos 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2, 1 into root 3 by 2 plus 2 into sin 30 is 1 by 2, and y dash minus 1 sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 you know about that is a root 3 by 2. Again write here x dash is equal to root 3 plus 2 by 2. Don't simplify here because 2 is the LCM is same as this, therefore root 3 plus 2 by 2, and y dash is equal to minus 1 plus 2 root 3 by 2. Therefore the new axis is the new coordinates. New coordinates are x dash comma y dash is equal to, what is x dash is root 3 by 2 comma y dash is equal to minus 1 plus 2 root 3 by 2. This is the answer. Okay. Next let us see solved problems. First one is, when the origin is shifted to 2 comma 3. Origin is shifted, therefore this is h comma k is equal to 2 comma 3. By the translation of the axis, the coordinates of the point P are changed as a 4 comma minus 3. Therefore here changing as a coordinates, that is a x dash comma y dash is 4 comma minus 3. Find the coordinates of the P, the original. Therefore you can find their x comma y. Find, you can first you can understood the problem. Shifted means h comma k is given, and changed the axis means it is x dash comma y dash. You can find here x comma phi. Therefore you can write here, given that h comma k is shifted origin means you can write here 2 comma 3, that is h comma k, and p of x dash comma y dash changed axis is, that is 4 comma minus 3. Then x comma y is equal to what is, this is a given problems. You can write that is the h comma k and p x, you can find here x comma y. What the formula is, we have the formula is x dash is equal to, or x is equal to, you can write here x dash is equal to x minus h, and y dash is equal to y minus k. First method, this is x dash is equal to x minus h comma y dash is equal to y minus k. We want here x means you can write here x is equal to, how can I write here x dash plus h, and y is equal to y dash plus k. Substitute the x dash value, y dash value, and h comma k values in. X is equal to, x dash is nothing but 4 plus h dash is equal to h is equal to how much, that is 2 only. it is called y is equal to y dash is nothing but minus 3, k is nothing but 3. Therefore x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 0. Therefore the original coordinate has occurred here. The coordinates of P in the original system, that is equivalent, you can write here, or 6 comma 0. This is the answer. Original is x comma y is value is the 6 comma 0. Okay, well understood? Let us see second example is find the point to which the origin is to be shifted by the translation of the axis so as to remove the first degree terms of the from the equation of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is another different method is a very interested. Let the origin be shifted to, let the origin be shifted to not given, therefore you can assume that is a alpha and beta. It is not given, therefore alpha and beta by the translation of axis. Then we have by the formula x is equal to x dash plus alpha. In place of h comma k, I can assume that is a alpha and beta. Therefore I can write here x is equal to x dash plus alpha, y is equal to y dash plus beta. These two values, the given equation you can substitute here. Given equation, what is given here? Given equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. You can substitute in this, in place of x and y, you can substitute x dash plus alpha, y dash plus beta in place of x and y. Therefore you observe here a of x is nothing but x dash plus alpha whole square plus 2h x dash plus alpha into, and y is nothing but y dash plus beta plus b of y dash plus beta whole square plus 2g of x dash plus alpha plus 2f y dash plus beta plus c is equal to 0. You can simplify, and first degree term is you can do, that is 0 only. Okay, can you multiply, what happened, that is a of, this is the formula of a plus b whole square, x dash whole square alpha square plus 2 x dash alpha 2h x dash y dash x dash beta and alpha y dash plus alpha beta. This is also b of y dash whole square plus beta square plus 2 y dash beta plus 2g x dash plus 2g alpha and 2f y dash plus 2f beta plus c is equal to 0. This is our equation. Okay, next is, I can write here first term is a x dash whole square, okay, and b square terms b y dash whole square is, and next is 2h x dash y dash, this is x dash and y dash, and next listen 2a alpha x dash and 2h beta x dash 2h alpha y dash. Next term is here 2 beta 2 b beta y dash. Next 2g x dash 2f y dash. You are writing first is x1 square terms, x dash square, y dash square, x dash and y dash, and x y combination total. I can write. Similar last is constants is a alpha square. This is a constant, and the last one is 2h alpha beta. In this term you can get this is a constant. In this you get the b beta square. Here 2g alpha without x and y. Okay. Next 2fb plus c is equal to 0. Here first degree means this is also second degree. This is also second degree. This is x into y means this is also second degree. Remaining this all the terms is only up to here only. These are constants. There is no x and y terms. First degree means you can take this part of the is must be terms from the equation. First degree is remove. Remove means this total is equivalent to 0. You can take this part equivalent to 0. You solve, you get the alpha and beta values. Okay. Listen this, that x dash and y dash terms you can take the 2x dash common. What the remaining term is a alpha plus h beta, and this is already 2g, therefore 2x dash is take the common g only. Similarly, I am taking the 2y dash is common. 2y dash means you can remaining here h alpha. This is b beta and this f only. You got here, this is the term of the first degree terms is removing. You can write here first degree terms is removing. Then we got this one is. Therefore, observe here. I can write here again. You can take the x 2 common. What is remaining is x of a alpha plus h beta plus g plus y dash of h alpha plus b beta plus f is equal to 0. E is nothing but this is also 0, this is also 0. You got here two equations. That is, what are the two equations here? A alpha plus h beta plus g is equal to 0, and h alpha plus b beta plus f is equal to 0. You got these two equations. You can solve these two equations. You get the alpha and beta value. You can solve these two equations. You can multiply with this is h and a, or we have another method is I can write here this is alpha, this is beta, this is a constant. I can say that is one only. You can write this coordinate. What is the coordinate? This is the h and g. Okay, and a also, and repeating as a h only. Clear? h g a h. You know in 10th class this method is, and I can take here starting with b and f, and this is a h, and repeat is a b only. Okay, you can multiply, cross multiplication is there here. Therefore alpha by first you can write here hf minus bg is equal to hf minus bg, and beta by gh minus af is equal to this constant c. This also you can write here one only, ab minus h into h square. This is finding the values. Therefore alpha is equal to, how can I write here, hf minus bg by ab minus h square, and beta is equal to, I can write here, gh minus af by ab minus h square. Therefore, the coordinates are alpha beta is equal to, you can write here, hf minus bg by ab minus h square comma gh minus alpha comma beta is equal to hf minus bg by ab minus h square gh minus af by ab minus h square. Fourth question, if the point P changes 4 comma minus 3 when the axes are rotated an angle of 135 degrees, find the coordinates of the P with respect to the original system. First, understood the question. Changes axis is given is 4 comma minus 3. Rotated angle is 135. Find the coordinates with respect to the original system. Therefore, x dash, y dash or h comma k is given here. Sorry, x dash comma y dash is given and theta is 135. Therefore, you can find x comma y. Okay. We have the formula is, draw a one formula is relation between x dash and y dash and xy with angle. This is cos theta, this is minus sin theta, this is sin theta, this is and cos theta. Therefore, given that changes axis P of x dash comma y dash is equal to 4 comma minus 3 and angle is theta is equal to 135 degrees. Okay. Next, let P of x comma y be the original coordinates then what is the formula here? X is equal to means you can multiply with x dash and y dash. Therefore, x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. Similarly, y is equal to, how can I write here? Y is equal to x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. Substitute your x dash and y dash value and theta value also. X dash is 4, cos theta is 135, minus y dash is minus 3, sin 135. Here also y is equal to x dash is 4, sin 135, minus 3 of cos 135. 4 cos theta, that is 135, minus of minus plus 3 sin 135. Y is equal to 4 sin 135 degrees minus 3 cos of 135 degrees. How can you find here cos 135 and sin 35? I can write here, first is cos 135 is there. Since, how can I write here? Cos of 90 plus 45 degrees. Therefore, cos will be changed, 90 means you can write here sin 45 degrees. Second coordinates means minus, that is minus 1 by root 2. Similarly, you can find the sin 135 value. This can be written as sin of, you can write anyone, 90 plus theta or 180. 90 plus 45. Therefore, this 90 into 1 odd number, okay, right here, this will be changed as a cos 45. This is second coordinate, sign will be positive. Therefore, is equal to 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. You got these two values, okay? There is one substitute here, x is equal to 4. Cos 135 is nothing but minus 1 by root 2. And plus 3 sin 135 is 1 by root 2. What you got here? X is equal to minus 4 by root 2 plus 3 by root 2 is nothing but minus 4 plus 3. How much it is? Minus 1 by root 2. Therefore, x value is minus 1 by root 2. Y is equal to 4 sin 135 is 1 by root 2 minus 3. This is cos 135. You got here minus 1 by root 2. Y is equal to 4 by root 2 plus minus half minus plus root 3 by 2. 7 by root 2. Therefore, the coordinate xy is equal to minus 1 by root 2 comma 7 by root 2. This is a original coordinates. Original coordinates. X comma y is equal to minus 1 by root 2, 7 by root 2. Next example question. Show that the axes are to be rotated through an angle of 1 by 2 tan inverse 2h by a minus b. 1 by 2 tan inverse 2h by a minus b. So as to remove the xy terms from the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 if a is not equal to b, and throw the angle is pi by 4 if a is equal to b. Same, you can rotate the angle is, you can find their angle only. Therefore, angle and transformation axis, you have the formula, you can draw that box only, that is relation between theta and x and x dash y. Okay, I am drawing here theta, x dash, y dash, and x, y. You can take here cos theta, this is minus sin theta, this is sin theta, this is a cos theta. Okay, write down. Given that if the axes are rotated through an angle theta, then how can I write here? X is equal to how can I write here? X dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta, and y is equal to similarly x dash sin theta y dash cos theta by the table. Okay, you can remember the equation transform. The equation transforms. What is the equation you can transform here? The equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus b square y square is equal to 0. by square, sorry. Again I am repeating, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Where x and y you can replace the transformation of the equation, that is x dash cos theta minus y sin theta, y dash sin theta, and replace x, y is a x dash sin theta plus y cos theta. I can write here a of x square x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta whole square plus 2h xy x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta into x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta plus b of y square is nothing but x dash cos theta plus y dash cos, sorry, this is sin theta na, this is sin theta, y dash cos theta whole square is equal to 0. Okay, I am replacing x y values. Okay, you can simplify and xy term must be 0. X and y terms must be 0. How can you find your xy terms? You can observe here. You can apply the formula a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square, and you can simplify a of a square x dash square cos square theta plus y dash square sin square theta minus 2 x dash y dash sin theta cos theta or cos theta sin theta. I can write orderly. Next, 2h as this first term is completed. Multiply x dash into x dash is nothing but x dash whole square sin theta cos theta first term is, and second one is plus x dash y dash cos square theta. Okay, and next is minus x dash y dash sin square theta and minus y dash square sin theta cos theta. Okay, next, this is a b term. I can write here b of x dash square sin square theta plus y dash square cos square theta plus 2 x dash y dash sin theta cos theta is equal to 0. Sin theta cos theta is equal to 0. Okay, in this term I can take here x dash comma y dash into terms only. Listen here, x dash and y dash term. This is x square, this is a y square. What is the x dash and y dash term is minus 2a x dash y dash sin theta cos theta is first one. And second one, and observe here, you got here two terms, that is 2h x dash y dash cos square theta minus 2h x dash y dash sin square theta. Second term is completed. Your x square term is there, your y square term is, don't want your x square and y square, we want your xy term. Given is the xy terms is a 0 only. Remove the xy terms, therefore this is the terms is must be 0. Therefore you got your first term is minus 2a x dash y dash sin theta cos theta. In second term you got your 2h x dash y dash cos square theta minus 2h x dash y dash sin square theta, and last you got 2b x dash y dash sin theta cos theta is equal to 0. Okay, next, in all the terms you have the 2 common and x dash y dash I take the common. What are the remaining terms you can observe here? Minus a sin theta cos theta. Okay, and here we got here h of cos square theta minus h sin square theta plus b sin theta cos theta is equal to 0. Therefore you can observe here x dash y dash of 2, I can write here can multiply here 2 and can take here sin theta cos theta common. First is, therefore b minus a first you get. Can multiply here all is 2 of both side. Therefore 2 sin theta cos theta b minus a and 2h of cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to 0. xy term is must be 0, therefore I can take here 2 sin theta cos theta b minus a 2h of cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to 0. You can listen, this is, what is the form of this one is 2 sin a cos a is equal to sin 2a. Okay, and cos square minus sin square is equal to, I can write here cos 2a. I am using these two formulas. What happens is sin 2 theta b minus a 2h as is cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to right here cos 2 theta is equal to 0. We got here sin 2 theta into b minus a plus 2h cos 2 theta is equal to 0. I can write here 2h cos 2 theta is equal to minus of b minus a into sin 2 theta. Or I can write here multiply, what happens is 2h cos 2 theta is equal to a minus b. You can multiply with minus, what happens is a minus b sin 2 theta. Or I can write here sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta is equal to 2h by a minus b. This is clear? Sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta is equal to 2h by a minus b is nothing but tan 2 theta is equal to 2h by a minus b, and 2 theta is equal to tan inverse 2h by a minus b. Theta is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse 2h by a minus b. This is our theta is angle is, what you have to prove here, theta is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse 2h by a minus b. And it is given a is not equal to b. What happened? If it is a is equal to b, if it is a is equal to b means 1 by 0 is nothing but tan 90. Therefore that is pi by 4 only. Yeah, this is a tan pi by 4 you are getting. Therefore you can write here tan 2t theta can write here tan 2 theta is equal to 2h by a minus b if a is not equal to b. If a is not equal to b, this is sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta when you are getting 0 means if a is equal to b. If a is equal to b, therefore that is 2h by 0 is equal to 1 by 2h by 0 is nothing but if a is equal to b. Therefore theta is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse 2h by a minus b. You can write here if a is not equal to b, theta is equal to tan 1 by 2 tan inverse 2h by a minus b. If a is equal to b, theta is equal to pi by 4. It is 0. 1 by 0 is nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 2 is pi by 2. Sorry, this is pi by 2 into 2 is nothing but pi by 4. You are getting there pi by 2 value 90 degrees. That is infinitive. This is the infinitive. Therefore you get the 1 by pi by 2. Pi by 2 into 1 by 2 is nothing but pi by 4. If a is equal to b, this is in case of then a is not equal to b, theta is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse 2h by a minus b. If theta is equal to a by b, a is equal to b, then theta is equal to pi by 4. Okay, clear.